Hello again, it's Noob, and I have a little Bode. What's it? It says Bode Panzer AG, or is it Bode Panzerag? I don't know. I think it's a Bode Panzer AG. Panzer, I think, meaning armor. And this is quite a funny little lock actually. I don't think you can gut it easily because it's got all these little pins driven through. I don't think there's a way into this lock, but what you can do is you can open it and then you can turn it back manually to lock it. So it's one of those ones which you can open and then lock, but just by turning, you don't need the key to turn it. So once you've opened it up, it's simple to lock it back up, but just turn it back, and you can't open it again until you get the key in. So it's quite interesting. The bitting on this is also odd because it's very high. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pins. High, high, high. Well, high, high, medium, low, high bitting. So some really short key pins in pin positions 1, 4 and 5, and then longer key pins in 2 and 3. My fingers are covered in graphite from a previous lock. But yeah, let's throw this in the vise and see if we can't pick it. So we are in the vise. Let's see if that key works. Yes, it does. You can turn it back and lock it manually. Yep, good. And I have a 18 thousandths flat top short hook and a 2mm pry bar. So I should be able to pop that one in the top of the keyway like that. Then use this pick to go in and around the warding like this, and see if one can't pick pin 5. Feels okay. I wasn't too happy with that. Let's see if I can get back onto 5. That's better. Nothing on 4 there. Back down to pin 1 maybe. Oh, there we go. So I think what's happened there is that if I get the pick and the key for you, I probably picked 5, maybe even 4, and then you can see that probably 3 and 2 were picked by the shank of the pick. Then I just need to go in here and pick pin 1 afterwards. That's why it opens so quickly. So it's just the choice of pick, and this happened off camera as well when I was just playing around with the lock. So it was just my choice of pick. I chose that pick because the keyway is actually surprisingly thin and paracentric. Found something like a 23 thousandths short hook just didn't quite lift the back pins up, so I switched over to a slightly deeper 18 thousandths of an inch hook, and just found that, yeah, just the vagaries of the bitting means that this hook did sort of just work to go click, 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 and then we got the open. So there you go. It's maybe not the high security lock, but it's also not a pushover with its nice bitting and tight recessed keyway. But yeah, I like that. The Bode Panzer AG. Pretty fun little, was it cam style lock? I like the mechanism where you can remove the key and then lock it back up manually. Pretty cool. If you like this video, then please leave a like. If you think I deserve it, then hit that subscribe, maybe even the notification bell to see more videos like this when they come up. I really appreciate it, and it does help my channel out an awful lot. If you have any comments about this lock, if you've seen one in the wild or anything like that, please let me know below. I do read all the comments and reply to as many as I can. Otherwise, stay safe, happy picking, and I'll see you all next time.